Okay, welcome to laser tag game running. So firstly, we need to turn on all the devices. Gun, press it to open. The helmet, switch to turn on. The vest, press the bottom of the battery. You will get the reaction when you turn on the devices. Just make sure all the devices are lighting. That means it turned on successfully. Next, make sure the receiver, the computer, and the software are ready. Firstly, come to the console. Here is some basic information of the gun and also the gun types. Let's come to the configuration. We have 8 game modes. Choose one game mode. Save. Come to the control central. Starts.
Battle begins.
You will see the reaction from the sensor sets. Then we will use 2 team separation cards to do the team separation. Blue team, red team. You can see the team separation effect right on the screen of the gun. And you will notice that the light of other sensor device will match your team color. After we finish the team separation, the battle starts. I'm the red team. Firstly, you hold your gun. You fill the bullets first and shoot the blue team.
The battle is over.
Both sides draw.
Okay, when the players hear the game is over, that means our battle is over and the player can receive the game result right on the screen of the gun. Okay, and here is our game process. Don't forget it, before our next game starts, we need to press to reset all the devices.